We have finally cleared out enough anyway to where we're going to pull this out, get that one out of there, and then we'll pull that one out, start test welding this boy, get better on that one, hopefully, and then we'll do the white truck. Yeah, woohoo. Let's see. Heck yeah. Ooh, a little rough. But we're gonna make it work. Yeah, she's coming. Well, let's go. We're gonna pull this thing all the way down here. All the way down here. Screw it. That's what we do. At least get it close. As close as we can. Probably gonna make the wife mad where I'm about to put this thing, but I needs it. Oh, where'd it go? I think it's still on there. I can hear it. Oh, whoops. Oh no, that's gonna scratch the truck. Oh no. Okay, well, it'll be okay. All right, so we got one. Got one over here. That'll be good enough right there to where I can work on it or try to weld it or whatever. So now we gotta go get the other one. A little more sketchy because it still has wheels on it because the lug nuts are all locked up on it. And I don't feel like trying to fix it, so here we go. Okay, so here's gonna be the fun one. I don't know how this is gonna go, but whatever. So it's gonna have to hop over those, hop over all that mess, hop over this, whatever. But those are 35s, so it should be okay. But the thing I worry about, oh, better shut that. I got a pretty short strap after cutting it a few dozen times, after hauling all that. Hopefully it doesn't hit my boy. We'll see. We will see. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. I really don't know what is about to happen. Hey. Oh. That just hit my truck. Ah. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. But once we... The heck? Where's that? It's heading the wrong... It's heading the wrong direction. Still can't believe that thing hit me. Where you going? Come on. Oh, we're sliding sideways now. Sliding sideways. We're gonna have to walk this thing down like a dang dog. Yeah, so we're gonna walk it. Just walk it. Walk it. I gotta talk it. Well. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, heck yeah. Let's go. Woo! 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 I'm trying. Heck yeah. It's perfect. Let's go. One step closer to welding this. Yeah.